Okay, just finished installing the new improved Thrustmaster shifter with the ability to power up the car. If I flick this switch, very nice, everything powered up, and okay, it's going to be the first attempt to start the car with the Thrustmaster shifter. Holding down the one button, got my finger on the trigger. Oh, I forgot to put the key in. But it started. Yeah, that's telling me I forgot to put the key in. Immobilizer to the rescue. Okay, boys. Okay, let's reset. Key's in this time. Sweet. Oh, it also shifts gears. Invisible, how does it do it? It was worse by radio frequencies? Just cabled well. Thanks, guys. See you later.